Hi everyone, today we will be talking about the DJI SPARK. This is a very nicely put together equipment right here. This drone, I think it's a fantastic drone. Firstly, before we go there, a piece of advice. Please guys, read your manuals, read your guides, make it a part of you. We have 3 of them right here. We have the intelligent flight battery safety guidelines, we have the disclaimer and safety guidelines, and of course we have the quick start guidelines. So please do not ignore this advice. Take it and make it help yourself get a powerful experience rather with this piece of equipment. And also, a lot of people say this is a toy. When it came out, some people say it's a toy, it's not gonna be good, but I think it is a nicely done and put together equipment. You could use it for personal reasons and not professional reasons. Up front right here you have the gimbal and the camera, and also the 3D sensing system. Very important to always keep this clean, because that is what it uses to sense its environment. The vision system, it's up front and very nicely put together. So, and out back you have the battery. You have the battery. Let me take this off real quick. As you can see, it just came out of the box. So the intelligent flight battery, you have the sensors and the power button up there, the battery level and the power button back there, and you can slide your battery out very nicely and neatly done, and then just slide it back in. And then underneath there you have the external charging contact, which is also nicely and neatly done. I like the fact that it can easily be charged using that piece of stuff. Also, you have the motors and the router, the propellers, very nicely and easily put together. As you can see, 2 of them have the white circle on it and 2 of them don't. That just, let me bring it close together, that just shows you where to put them. And also it is very easy to take them out and replace if you need to. And to do that, you just push in and squeeze, and on top of the propeller it tells you what direction to squeeze. So don't worry about that guys, it is easy for you to figure that out. And to put it back, you just push and then squeeze the opposite direction. So that is really nicely done and easy. And also up front you have the LED lights underneath the propeller. Those are the LED lights up front, and out at the back you have the aircraft status indicator. Yep. And very importantly, you have the micro USB port and the micro SD card slot. You use those 2 for charging and maybe for recording or saving your videos. So, and to charge, all you need to do is just take your wall piece or your charger and put it in there and hook it up to the wall. Very nicely covered. The power button right there, and then you have the battery indicator as well. So in essence, this drone is nicely put together. I would have loved for it to have a foldable props, but it is what it is. Small, easy to maneuver, easy to carry around. I can't wait to fly this bad boy right here. And please guys, see, it comes in a very nice little box. Let me put it in here. Easy to carry. Like I was saying just a moment ago, I just wanted to show it so you have a good view of what I'm talking about. And for those who travel and like to go with their drone, this will be a very good and nice piece of equipment. So please subscribe, leave a comment. I'll be happy to do whatever stunt or show whatever procedures you guys want me to do. See you on my next video. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.